Et putain, il se...
Push back! Come on!
Not exactly...
No! Push forward! Push forward! You did it on purpose! Asshole!
I solve my problems on the racetrack. I don't send messages through the press. I don't do things behind anyone's back. If you need this, go back to your site.
Non mais alors là on va... Don't touch! It's your fault! It's my fault!
The engine may be stronger now, but I told you before you left, it's not broken in, and you'll struggle on the qualifying. You'll have to race at least 3 laps before you get
I'll
a
make
quali.
the pole.
I know you will. But what about the race? It's too cold outside. If Brundle manages to overtake you in the first few laps, he could gain distance before our engine even warms up. And he could end up losing another race and the championship. You're blocking the radiator air exhaust.
Yes, but only until the engine warms up.
What about once it's hot? Let's get rid of the tape.
No, come
You
on.
have less than 4 seconds on the straight to rip it all off. It's not enough time. It's too risky. You'll overheat the engine.
Dick, trust me. It will work.
I solve my problems on the racetrack. I don't send messages through the press. I don't do things behind anyone's back. If you need this...
Não dá pra ver nada quando tá chovendo. Tem que decorar a pista.
E o carro para não derrapar.
Tem que deixar o carro reto, pra não perder o grip. Evitar a borracha no asfalto.
Bora, Beco!
Sentir o carro. Mas eu ainda tô errando muito.
Se quer ser campeão não pode errar.